Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to use else condition in the ifs formula in Excel. This simple trick helps you avoid writing unnecessary conditions and can save a lot of time. So let's start. In this example we have multiple stages and for each stage we need to return a status. There are 12 different stages, but we only want to group them into 4 status categories using the ifs formula. The challenge is that the ifs function does not have a direct else condition, so many users have to write conditions for every single stage. So in cell C2, type equals to ifs opening parenthesis, select cell B2. Condition is if it's completed, status should be closed. If stage is withdrawn, status should be cancelled. If stage is implementation, status should be overdue. Now for pending 9 stages, status should be in progress. Either you have to write all 9 conditions or type condition true, which will work as else statement. And for all other stages, status should be in progress. Now press enter and drag the formula down to apply it all rows. And you get the required result with a much simpler formula. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.